Mr. Mickey, you don't have to. Nah, it's fine. My treat. It's like I'm talking to a friggin' wall. Friggin' wall. Oh, poor Ozzy. How's he going to react to this? Sir? Holy shit. Donald, watch your mouth. And, Ozzy? Oh my god, Ozzy, wake up. That is not your wife. What's gotten into you? Oh, it seems like someone is flustered. I'm so sorry, I don't know what to. Oh no, it's okay. Who can say no to a hug? How does Felix feel after all that? Hi there, Mr. Felix. I love your books. Wow, thank you. I'm glad you do, Mr. Bendy. OMG, Felix has a crush. Are those guys your friends? You know, the little mouse and, the handsome bunny? No, they just invited us to lunch for some reason. Wait, what? Nothing?